In this session, we have explored some very robust and complex ideas. We will continue our learning as we progress through the school year. There are some important ideas we ask you to consider as you move forward in your work. And so we've learned that identities can emerge in the form of stories. And teaching involves not only developing important skills and conceptual understandings in mathematics, but also supporting students coming to have positive math identities and seeing themselves as competent and capable doers of mathematics. There are many practices we can engage in to support this work. However, we recommend you begin with the following. And so, first, we want to lift the importance of knowing yourself and understanding how what you value and believe inform your practice. What equitable and anti racist practices are you already engaged in? Why have you chosen them? And then also consider what unproductive practices might you be engaging in? Why have you chosen those? And also, what equitable practices might you now consider instead? Next, knowing your students, not assuming who your students are or what's important to them, but learning what they value. What do they believe in? What are they hoping for? We ask you to ask yourself, are your students having mathematics experiences which will result in positive math stories and positive math identities? And then what equitable practices we consider to support that? And so that brings us lastly to learning rather, and using equitable and or anti-racist instructional practices to assist us in creating more positive and productive mathematics experiences. And so again, we will continue this work as we move through the year. And we know that this is challenging work, but it is so extremely important. And so we thank you for engaging with us today. And we hope that you enjoy the next session where you have an opportunity to commit to some learning and work you will do with your students in the beginning of the year.